Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Comparing nested loops to single loops is a classic Java challenge that you can master quickly. Let's break down these code segments right now. In code segment 1, the loop runs from 0 up to the product of m and n. This means the letter A prints exactly m times n times in total here. In code segment 2, the outer loop runs m times while the inner loop runs n minus 1 times. Multiplying these gives us m times n minus m total prints. Subtracting the result shows A is printed more times than B. This calculation proves option C is the only correct choice.
Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for success.